Hello everybody, so I do have this in the opposite configuration now, or the different configuration. Believe it or not, the solar, or the back hatch is not getting in the way of that solar panel, based on where the sun is right now. And it's charging, but this was actually getting in the way, this shadow right here from my house. So I ran it through here, and you can run it either configuration. I do have a separate one of these, but shutting it in the door, I'm afraid of it being stripped a little bit, so I do have a backup. Not that worried about it, but I do like running it through here as there's a little bit more space. Let's see what we're getting for watts. About 46 at 55 watts. It's not bad. Was better when it was hanging from the side of the roof. So yeah. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching.